Hey ladies! Whether you're in your 20s, 40s, or 60s, it's time to discover the secret spice na pwedeng mag-boost ng ating katawan. Let's talk about cloves. Maliit man, pero super powerful. Alam niyo ba na ang clove ay hindi lang pangluto? Hindi lang to pang kusina. Hindi lang to basta spice. Ito ay may anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, at antioxidant properties na super ganda sa katawan, lalo na sa ating mga babae. Ano bang benefits ng cloves para sa ating mga babae? It helps regulate blood sugar. So malaking bagay ito para sa mga may PCOS at diabetic risk. It helps relieve joint pains and inflammation. It also helps fight infections. Also improves digestion and metabolism. Also supports heart health. Also relieves stress and fatigue. Pwedeng ihalo sa warm water, but I do hot water. That is to help for detox. And it also helps to boost immune system. Pwedeng-pwede to para sa busy women and working women. O, nilagay ko dyan sa yellow basket. Click mo na lang yan. You may want to try it. It's natural. O, again, click mo na yan ha, to get your pure and natural cloves. Stay healthy, beautiful, and empowered at any age. Go na!